I don't remember the color of your eyes. I don't remember what you looked like when you smiled. I don't remember how your hand would rest on mine. Who knew that 5 short years is such a long time? And oh, how slowly the days go by. And oh, how lonely I pass the time. But oh, how quickly the memories die, until loving you is all that survives. I don't remember when we'd go out for a walk. I don't remember what you'd tell me when we talked. I don't remember thinking one day you'd be gone. I don't remember thinking anything at all. And oh,